What's up guys, it's Lou. Today we're going to do an overview of the 4th gen front nostrils and a step-by-step how to remove them. Let's take a look at the 4th gen Prelude front nostrils. This is currently off of the car. You can see the top push clips that I mentioned that there's 5 of them. What you do is you screw them off, pop them up, pull them out from the bumper. Then you got your 10mm bolts. You got 2 here. There's going to be some screws on this side, and then on the inside of the bumper you have the 3 10mm bolts that hold it onto the bumper support. We take the whole thing out with the bracket because these right here I believe are 8mm nuts that hold the nostrils actual to this plastic bracket, but they rust, and when you try to twist and take them off, you can break the plastic on the nostrils themselves. So this is why we don't want to take off just the nostrils. And also you see here these push clips that go to the headlights. Alright, so that's when you got to pinch them down and push them out off of the headlight. Now let's go check them out on a Prelude. You gotta remove these 5 push clips. That 10mm. This 10mm. If you want to keep these plastics, take off those push clips. You got that screw right there. There's one on the opposite side. It's just missing. Oh, there it is actually. It's in the corner over there. Shit, look at that. And then on the inside, we got those 2 10s. Those 2 10mm. One, and the one on that side. And then a third right there. And then those push clips right here. One there. And the one right there. And then it'll come right out. The nostrils come out as one piece with the frame that they're on. All right, now that's out, I'm gonna pull this bumper forward, push this back a little bit. See if I could hold on here for a sec. Trying to wiggle this out. Pull this over here. Almost free. One side. Let's get this other side. There we go. And these are always known to break in accidents and stuff, and people always need them. So if anybody needs one of these, I got a few for sale.